Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Hub. Today I've got an unboxing and review of the Minthouz USB-C triple docking station model MT-UMD04. If you use a laptop like a MacBook and you're looking to seriously expand your setup, especially when you're on the go, this could be exactly what you're after. So I will be unboxing it, running through the specifications, and most importantly I'll be testing it with my 13-inch MacBook Air M2. So let's get straight into it and let's start the episode. So before we go any further, I want to be fully transparent and say that Minthouz reached out to me to review this docking station. As always, all my opinions in this video are my own. I have also previously reviewed their Minthouz 7-in-1 USB-C quad display docking station, which I will put a link below. So this dock though has more connections, so I was excited to look at this one. Now this dock actually fills a very specific gap in my setup. I already use a static dock, which with my MacBook Pro when it's in clamshell mode, but what I've been missing is a portable dock, something I can throw in my bag and use it when I'm working in laptop mode, either at another desk or when I'm out and about. So that's exactly what I was looking for, and I couldn't be happier they reached out to me. So, at least on paper. So this Minthouz dock looks like it ticks all the boxes. Compact, USB-C powered and capable of driving multiple displays while still giving you plenty of ports. Now, especially on the MacBook Air M2, there's only 2 ports, so that's perfect for this. And I could test it on my MacBook Pro. As you can see, it's busy, but I also wanted to show you how you don't need a powerhouse machine to use this thing either. So let's take a look at what the Minthouz MT-UMD04 offers. So this is a USB-C triple display docking station designed for modern laptops that support USB-C or Thunderbolt. So some key features which it includes are support for up to 3 external displays. Can't test that today, I've only got 2, but we will look at it. It has multiple USB-A ports for accessories like keyboards, mice and external drives. It has its USB-C power delivery, allowing you to charge your MacBook while using the dock. HDMI and display port outputs for external monitors, Ethernet for stable wired internet connection, SD and micro SD card slots. Useful for creators and photographers. A compact travel friendly design as well, which is what I was looking for. Okay, so now my favorite part of these reviews is the unboxing. So that's really important to me, especially as an Apple fan. You get a certain unboxing experience with Apple, but already I can tell you it's good sturdy cardboard if you care about that. It's packaged really nicely. So big tick there, Minthouz. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay, so there's a cellophane wrap around it. You get some links to drivers. I'm assuming you only need that for Windows, but we will see what happens. That case is the cable, and there's a protective plastic around this. Okay, and here it is. Okay, and here it is. And just like I said with the unboxing experience, just like Apple, similar to this, so it's built really well. Got your USB-A, the micro SD, the SD, headphone jack. Really good. Ethernet, USB 2, USB 2, USB 3, great. The ODE style display port here, HDMI, USB-C as well here, and the ODE style VGA, so it's good to know that's not been forgotten about. First impressions, like I said, really good sturdy construction, and doesn't feel out of place next to a MacBook, so we'll check that out in a second. So here's what you'll find inside it. So you get that triple display dock, the USB-C cable which connects to it, and I like that. Even though it might be a bit tricky to get around sometimes when it's still connected, but at least you don't need to go find a USB-C with it. Then you've got that basic documentation as well. So first impressions of the dock, itself are solid. It feels well built with a clean professional design and wouldn't look out of place on a desk or in a workplace. It also compact enough to carry around that won't be a pain either in the bag, which is the point of this. So all the ports are clearly labeled, which is always a plus. Now for the most important part, the testing with a 13-inch MacBook Air M2. So let me boot it up and get it going. So this is actually a good length. However, you can always get a USB-C extension if you do want to extend it. So let's plug it in and hopefully it's recognized immediately. With Mac, you really, until you plug stuff into the port, here we go. The first time you use it, it will ask you if you want to give it permission. Now that's always good to know that it's working basically, because apart from that prompt, which we'll never see again, now we've given it permission, you won't know. There's no sound, there's no notification when you plug something in like this. Now let's get testing it. Now I was going to test it with my USB-C T7 external hard drive. However, this USB-C is just for the power, because obviously if you've got this plugged in, you want to charge it. So let's try that out. There it goes. That is just for power delivery. It's not a port for any data or anything, but that's good to know that actually you've still got this port available if that's how you charge it. And you can just charge it through this. So that works absolutely fine. Now, I feel like a bit of a dumbass because I just said that about the USB-C port. Now that is how I connect my sheer display. However, I'm going to test the HDMI port out of my external display here that you see behind me. Okay, so I've plugged it in and here it is. Here's the display. Absolutely no issues at all. Obviously, it's a shame that I can't check more than one display. I don't have the other connections. But apart from that initial permission in macOS to give it a go, it's literally plug and play and I'm super happy with that. So that was relatively stress-free. So I connected it via the USB-C. Obviously, everything worked there. I'm not going to test the other ports. I just know they work. The dock was recognized immediately by macOS and setup was straightforward. In fact, there is no setup. It's plug and play. Now, in Windows, you might have to download some drivers, so be sure to check the documentation and they give you a QR code for their website. So, absolutely spot on as you'd expect. So, super happy with the testing. This is where it really shines though. When I'm using my MacBook Air in laptop mode, this gives me a proper desktop style. If you are somebody else with a external display and I want to use it as I do at home, I can just push that into it, boom, it's done. It's quick to plug in, easy to pack away and make switching between locations effortlessly. So to sum up, the Minthouz USB-C triple dock-in display is a really strong option if you're looking for a portable yet capable dock. For my setup, it's the perfect companion to my static MacBook if I am out and about, giving me flexibility when I'm working on my MacBook Pro and need proper connectivity on the go. A big thank you to Minthouz for sending this over, and as always, all of my opinions were my own. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Tech Hub for more Apple tech content, and let me know in the comments what dock you're currently using with your Mac, and as always, please keep those comments kind. Please follow me on Instagram at Threads at TechHubWiltsUK and check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.